What is up, guys? Today I will show you how to install custom firmware from ScooterHacking utility. So ScooterHacking utility is this app, actually how it looks like. And this custom firmware allows you to increase the speed, to customize all your scooters, and it's suitable for many scooters, even not only F2 Plus or F2 Pro, F2, other versions available as well. So what you need to do first is to download the ScooterHacking utility here, then you connect to your scooter. While it's pairing, what you need to do is just to click 2 times. Now it's paired, and then what you need to do is to go to hardware details. On the top here you have your UID here, so it's now hidden. You need to copy it. I will tell you why later on. After this, you open the Telegram and you need to search for this bot. It's called Downgrade Ninebot here. Once you set it up, what you need to do is to click, I already done it before, but I will show for you what to do. So you need to click start in the bot, just like this, start. So once you click start, you will have the disclaimer, click I understand, then select your scooter. So as you see, it's G2, F2, G30 Max available, F20, F25, F30, F40, E22, E25, E45, those versions are available. So I select, okay, go back. I need to select F2, you can select others. So after this, you will see the file, I just blurred it. Actually, the zip file that you need to do to downgrade your scooter. So actually it's working even with the latest version of your firmware. For any scooters in 2025, this hack will work. So just download the zip file and then you open the ScooterHacking utility, you go to Flash section, load from file, my file. So already renamed this file called DRV downgrade. Actually it will have the name DRV and your UID number. Then click done, start flash. So it's flashing, it's taking quite fast, I guess up to 30 seconds. And after this it will be downgraded. So you see the F2 DRV, unlock your Ninebot is a friendly name here. And after this downgrade, potentially you can save and change your serial number and unlock your device and increase the speed, change from Europe 1 to United States, for example. Then you will have up to 32 km/h for F2 Plus. For other scooters it may be different. Okay, flash complete actually. Alright, so the flashing is done. Actually, after this, what you need to do is to load software here. Okay, actually software is installed. Now you need to go to config, tab to configure a scooter before using it. If you don't, the scooter will not accelerate. Flash any firmware from the load originals and DRV menu to go back to stock. So make a screenshot for myself. Let's try to config it out. Then you see warning, the current lead profile is a throttle cover. Okay, this could be the reason your scooter isn't accelerating. Why? So I finally managed to remove this 40 error. Actually, you can open the system settings here and you have error suspension settings, and I disable motor temperature error. I don't know why it's appear, its motor is just staying, but you see when I disable it, it's fully disabled. All the others, you see it's so many settings here available, so I will make another video how to do it. What you need to find here is throttle, and actually in throttle you can set the speed limit, let's say 40 in the sport mode. Then you can select throttle modes as speed based or power based, so I put actually power based on automatic, and then let's try whether it will go to 40. So in the sport mode it's also need to build the curve here. So let's just build it, max power put to 35 for example, and keep it flat like this. And now it should work well after installing these settings. Okay, let's try it out finally. Okay, now let's finally test the speed. 35 km/h, going pretty smooth and easy. Working perfectly. So many settings more available in ScooterHacking utility, which I will show in the next video. But as for now, that's it. You increase the speed of your scooter in 2025 summer, and these methods will work, I guess, forever. And in case you still have some question, leave it in the comments below. I will feed back to any of your question. put the big thumbs up and see you in the next video.